Teacher Math Science, and before us we have been asked to arrange the set of decimals in ascending order. Alright, ascending order means what? From small to large. From small to large. Alright, in my previous videos I actually did arranging set of numbers in ascending and descending orders, but that was just a whole number. It wasn't what decimals. Okay, now we are treating decimals. Now there were two things, or three things rather, we actually took note of. One, the importance of place value. All right. Two, when comparing two numbers, you have to start from what? From the largest value. And three, what we looked at, what? The digit number. We have one digit number, we have two digit number, we have three digit numbers. Okay, now let's apply the same method to this question. All right, first and foremost, let's just draw out what? The place value. All right, so we have what? 1000, we have 100, we have tens, we have what? Units. Now because we have decimal points here, we are going to what? Introduce our what? Our tens, our what? Hundreds, our thousands, and our what? 10,000s. Okay, so before the decimal point we have 1000, 100, tens, and units, and after the decimal point we have tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Okay, now we're just simply going to arrange all of this decimal under this what? The decimal numbers under this value. All right, now we have 2.91. 2 comes under units because of this decimal. All right, then 91. Okay, then we have 2 point what? 2. We have 2.9. Okay, then we have 2.09. Okay, this 9 come under the hundreds. Okay, then we have 2.009. All right, I guess we understand. So we can see that what? The number what? Before the decimal, all are under what? Under units, under the value units. All right, now like we said, if you want to compare these numbers, you have to start from what? From the largest value. And if we come from these thousands, all right, from the left hand side to the right hand side, 1000 is bigger than 100, 100 is bigger than tens, 10 is bigger than unit, and unit is bigger than what? Tens, tens is bigger than hundreds, 100 is bigger than thousands, 1000 is bigger than what? 10,000. All right, so this is what we're to do. We're just to compare this number to what? To get the smallest number, arranging them in ascending order to the largest number. Like we said, we are going to check from the what? From the highest value, which is what? Units. Now check all the numbers, all the digits under the unit, they are what? Equal. They are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Don't forget, we are looking for what? The smallest number. All right, now we'll go to the next higher value, which is what? The tens. Now look at the numbers under the tens. We have 9, which is high. We have 2, okay, which we have 9 again, which is high. We have 0 and 0. 2 is higher than 0, so we are not considering what? 9, 2, and 9. We'll leave that alone. So we are considering just 0 and what? 0. Now we are looking for the smallest number. Okay, now let's go to what? The next higher value, which is what? Hundreds. Don't forget, we are considering just these two because these ones are high. We are looking for the smallest number. We have 0, 0. Now under the hundreds, we're looking for what? The smaller, the digit that is what? Smaller from these two numbers. We have 9 and 0. 0 is smaller than 9. So what? This number 2.009 is what? The smallest. All right, so where are we going to write it now? We have what? 2.009 as the smallest number, so this one is out. Okay, so if we take this as 2.009 as the smallest number, so the next smaller number should be what? 2.0 what? 2.09. Okay, the next smaller number should be 2.09. Okay, now this one is out also, so we are left with what? 2.9, 2 point what? 2.2 and 2 point what? 9, no, sorry, 2.91, 2.2 and 2.9. All right, don't forget, in compare it, we are what? We check from what? The highest value. The highest value here is units. This unit, all digits here are equal. We'll go to the next one. So we have 9 and 9, which is higher than 2. We're looking for the next smaller number. 9 and 9 and higher than 2. So we have the only number that is lesser than 9 to be 2.2. So 2.2 happens to be what? The next smaller number. Alright, so 2.2 is out. So we have 2.91 and 2.9. Now what we'll have to do now is to compare those two numbers. Looking at the numbers from the highest value, 2 and 2, they are what? Equal. Alright, now if we check 9 and 9, they are also equal. Don't forget we are looking for the next smaller number. Alright, now this is assumed that we have an imaginary 0 here, because there's nothing there, so there's 0. So if we want to get a smaller number, we'll go to the next higher value, which is 1 and 0. 1 is higher than 0. 0 is smaller than 1. So this number, 2.9, happens to be what? The next smaller number, and the highest number there is what? 2.91. Alright, the highest number there is 2.91. So we have been able to what? Arrange this number in what? In ascending order from the smallest. This is the smallest number, and this is what? The highest number. The smallest number is what? 2.009, and the highest number is what? 2.91. I hope this is well understood. Thank you very much for your time watching. If you have any question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below, and don't forget to help to share this video so you can reach more numbers of persons on this platform. Just as you have benefited, please allow others to benefit as well by sharing this video on this platform and every other platform. Thank you very much as you do, and thank you for your time watching my video. Bye for now.